Hello, my name is Ale, and I'm going to show you how to prepare your Iaso tea. Each package comes with 2 tea bags. Pour 32 ounces of water into a pot. In this case, I am measuring 8 ounces 4 times. That gives me 32 ounces. And just as a reference, 128 ounces of water is equal to 1 gallon. While I pour the water, let me tell you the daily recommended amount of tea to drink. You want to drink 8 ounces of tea with your lunch, 4 ounces between lunch and dinner, and 8 ounces with dinner. The 4 ounces are optional. Now that my water is in the pot, I'm going to bring it to a boil. Once the water is boiling, turn it off and place the 2 tea bags in the water and cover your pot. Steep your tea between 4 to 8 hours. I like to prepare my tea overnight. Now that my tea concentrate is ready, I am going to pour it back into the gallon that I started with. It's very important to put the 2 tea bags inside the gallon. And now you have a whole week of Iaso tea. And that's it. Enjoy your Iaso tea.